Hello friends, good morning. Today we are performing workshop on Ashtavishya Karma. Ashtavishya Karma means the eight surgical procedures described in the ancient Ayurvedic book Sushruta Samhita. The Shalya Chikitsa performed in three different stages. They are: first, Purva Karma means pre-operative; second, Pradhan Karma, that is operative; and third, Paschat Karma means post-operative procedures. In Pradhan Karma, Acharya Sushruta described the eight surgical procedures. In addition to this, he also explaining the Yoga Sutriya, that is understanding the surgical procedure with practical knowledge in Sushruta Samhita. The reference of Ashtavishya Karma in Sushruta Samhita are Sushruta Sutrasthan Adhyay 5 and Sushruta Sutrasthan Adhyay 25, and for explanation of Yoga Sutriya अध्याय सुश्रुत सूत्र स्थान अध्याय number 9, that is Yoga Sutriya Adhyay. These eight surgical procedures are Chedana, that is excision; Bhedan means incision; Lekhana means scraping; Vedana means puncturing; Eshana, that is probing; Aharana means extraction; Visravana, that is draining; and the eighth Sivana means suturing. Now we are going to describe detail of each karma with its practical models and procedures that we have performed. The first karma is Chedana, means excision. The definition of Chedans is cut out abnormal, disease, tissue or part or organ from the body. The indication of Chedana are Bhagandhara, that is fistula in ano; Tilkalak means moles; Vranamarga, that is sinus; Vartma Arbut means benign tumor of eyelid; Arsha, that is hemorrhoids; Charmakil means warts; Shatponak, that is multiple fistula; and Ubdansha, that is syphilis and gonorrhea. Shastra for Chedana are Vruddhipatra, Murdvika, Utpalpatra, and Nakashastra. These are the instruments used for Chedan Karma according to Ayurveda. The Yogya Sutriya for Chedan Karma is Tatra Pushpaphala Alabu Kalindak Trapusa Ervaruka Karkaruka Prabhutirushu Chedya Visheshana Darshayeta Utkarshana Parikartanani. Indication for excision according to modern are hemorrhoids, any type of cyst, appendicitis, excision of the foreskin in phimosis, excision of the dead tissue in cellulitis, and excision of sebaceous cyst. Instruments used for the excisions according to modern science are scalpel, surgical blades, Ellis tissue forceps, and scissors. Different number of blades is used for different procedures, such as for sebaceous cyst excision we used 11 number blade. For orthopedic surgery 22 number blades are used. For cardiac surgery 20 number blades is used. Now see the procedure of excision performed on the model of sebaceous cyst. And today we have to perform excision of sebaceous cyst. The diagnosis of sebaceous cyst is confirmed by the presence of punctum. This is the punctum of sebaceous cyst. This indicates the confirmed diagnosis of sebaceous cyst. There are two methods of excision. First is dissection method and second is incision and avulsion technique. So we have to perform first technique, that is dissection method. Instrument required for the excision of the sebaceous cyst are 11 number blade, scissors for suturing, sponge holding forceps for draping and painting, This is the forceps for holding the skin. 2% lignocaine with adrenaline for local anesthesia. Painting of the skin with the betadine gauze. Give the local anesthesia, lignocaine 2% with adrenaline. Take a elliptical incision including the punctum. We have taken the elliptical incision including the punctum. Then separate the adjacent structure including fats. Then remove the sebaceous cyst intact intact. Prevent from the rupture of the cyst. After separating the adjacent structure, remove the cyst completely along with the skin. This is a separated intact sebaceous cyst. Approximate the edges of the wound and suture it with non-absorbable suture.
We are going to explain Bhedan Karma. Bhedan Karma is a part of Ashtabhuj Shastrakram. Bhedan Karma means modern type incision. What is the indication of Bhedan Karma? Bhedan Karma is indicated in all type of Vidradi except Sanipataj. Indicated in Granthi, Visarp, Vruddhi, Vidarika. In Pramaya Pidika, Shot, Stan Rogo, Vamantaka. Kumbhika Anishaya. Nadio Vrind, Pushparika algae. In all type of Shudra Roga, Paputak Talu Dantu Oja. Here the most important disease is Tundikeri. Tundikeri is an important one because it is indicated only in the Bhedan Karma. Gilayuscha. Indicated in Basti Ashmari in all type of Medaj Vikar. After the indication, we are now going to Yogya Sutriya. Yogya Sutriya means experimental procedure. Is indicated in Sushrut, is given in Sushrut Sutrastan 9th chapter. We have taken the model of water fill leather bag or bladder of the animal which is filled with mud. We fill bladder with mud, and by filling the bladder with mud, now we are going to put incision. What is the aim of this model? By which we will know the tension of the bladder wall. After the Yoga Sutra, we are now going to perform Shastra for Chedan Karma. What are the instrument required for the Bhedan Karma? Bhedan Karma Shastra is Vriddhi Patra, Nakshastra, Ardhadhara, Antarmukha, Kusha Patra. Vriddhi Patra means modern type of scalpel. According to model, we will require a scalpel of blade number 15, local anesthesia, lignocaine plus adrenaline, packing material, forceps, irrigation syringe. I explain all the procedure of Bhedan Karma in my video. What is abscess? Abscess is defined as a confined collection of pus with surrounding local inflamed tissue. As we can see, abscess is more than 5 mm. We have given the 5-day course of antibiotic and painkiller, but patient has not got so much relief. Now we have planned for the incision. For incision, we have given a local anesthesia, lignocaine plus adrenaline, around all sides of the inflamed tissue. As you can see, we have given the lignocaine plus adrenaline for better anesthetic effect. After the anesthesia, we have to go on for a betadine split swab for sterilization purpose. Sterilization is very important in the wound cleaning or wound dressing, but in any surgical problem. And now we are going for a incision. Incision blade issue is blade number 15. Incision should be parallel to the skin line for a better healing and less scar formation. Now we are going for a incision. After the incision, we have cleaned the confined collection of pus, and we have packed with dressing material and bandaging. And now we have given the 5-day course of
The third Ashtavit karma, that is Lekhana. Lekhana means scraping. Scraping is a removal of cell as from the diseased tissue with an edge instrument. The indication for Lekhan karma is Vataj, Pittaj, Kafaj and Raktaj Rohini. And Kilas, Ubjivika, Medojvikar, Dantavaidarbhya, Vartmarok, Arsha, Mandal and Kusht. The instrument required for the Lekhan karma according to Ayurveda are Mandalagra Shastra, Naka Shastra, Dantashanku and Karpatra. The Yogya Sutriya for a Lekhana is Saromani Charmanyatate Lekhascha. That means the art of scraping should be instructed on a piece of skin on which the hairs has been allowed to remain. According to modern science, scraping it is a term used to describe surgical which may be used to clean the body cavity of a foreign matter to remove diseased tissue such as tumor or growth. The instrument used for scraping are curette, scalpel, forceps and scissor. We have performed the model of scraping in next video.
Are following the procedure of scraping. Scraping in Ayurveda is a different term. Scraping it is a procedure in which the removal of cell from diseased or infected tissue with an edge instrument. Instrument like a scalpel. Cell removal of cell as from diseased tissue with an edge instrument. Curettage and scalpel are mostly used for scraping. Curettage is the term used to describe a surgical scraping which may be used to clean body cavity of foreign matter to remove diseased tissue such as a tumor or growth, or to obtain a biopsy that can be used for a diagnosis. Instrument used for the scraping it's mainly scalpel, curettage, forceps and scissor. Of scraping, first we have to scrap the wound properly. Then we have to wash the wound with the normal saline.
Number 4. Vedan Karma, puncturing.
Definition of Vedana. Vedyam alphamukhe shastre vedaniya siradi. It means piercing with a pointed instrument. Indications of Vedana. Vedyasira bahuvida mutra vruddhi dakodaram. According to Sushrut, number 1. Venupuncture of various types. Number 2. Hydrocele. Number 3. Ascites are the diseases in which Vedan karma is administered.
According to Charak Chikisastan, Dakodarani Sampakva, Gulma Ech Raktaja, Vedya Shonita Ragacha, Visarpa Pidakadya. Ascites, Pakwa Gulma, Pakwa Raktaja Gulma. Abscesses due to Raktadushti. In these diseases, Vedan karma is useful.
Here is the example of Vedan karma. Sira Vedana in Sira Granthi. Yoga Sutriya. Yoga means practicing of surgical procedures on different dummy models other than human bodies. Here is the reference of Sushrut Sutrasthan. Mruta Pashusira Suutpalanaleshu Cha Vedasya.
Veins of dead animals and peduncle of lotus flower are useful in practicing of Vedan karma.
Shastras used in Vedan karma. Reference of Sushrut Samhita Sutrasthan is here. Kutharika Vrihimukha Aravetasapatrakani Vedane Suchicha. Kutharika means chisel. Vrihimukh means trokar. Ara means all. Vetaspatra, it is a kind of scalpel, and Suchi are the suturing needles. Twaksar of bamboo is the Anushastra used in Vedan karma. Kutharika Shastra. पृथु कुठारी गोदंत सदृशा अर्धांगुलानाना तयो ऊर्ध्व दंड्या विद्धेय दुपर्यस्थानां स्थितां शिराम is the reference of Ashtangruday Sutrasthan. According to this small instrument shaped like an axe, the blade is like tooth of a cow. It has width of 1 anguli. Use of Kutharika Shastra. Venesection of veins situated in bones. Ara. This is a wide semi-curved or straight knife with a short round handle. Praman 8 angul. Handle is similar to Gopucha. Useful in Vedana Karma. Vedan Astigat Shalya Nirharan.
In Sushrut Samhita Sutrasthan, reference of Shastra Grahana Vidhi is given.
Vrihimukh Shastra is held in hand with the help of thumb and index finger. In the way, the handle of Shastra is covered with a palm.
Kutharika Shastra is held in left hand and Ara is held with its origin. According to modern aspect, puncturing. Definition of puncturing. It is an act of piercing or penetrating with a pointed instrument. Examples: drainage of fluids, hydrocele, venipuncture, ascites, laparoscopic procedures, sebaceous cyst, abscesses.
Some photographic views of puncturing: abdominal paracentesis, laparoscopic procedures, venipuncture of veins, drainage of fluids. All are involved in puncturing procedure. Instruments used in puncturing procedure: trocar, chisel, awl, lumbar puncture needle, tourniquet, and some needles are used in procedure of puncturing.
Hello friends, today we are performing the procedure of abdominal paracentesis. Aspiration of fluid from peritoneal cavity is called as paracentesis. This is the model for paracentesis. In ascites, smiling umbilicus is the diagnostic sign. Instruments required in paracentesis. First we have used sponge holding forceps, then IV fed with 3-way cannula, 18 gauge needle, 50 ml syringe, 2% lignocaine for local anesthesia. First we have to do painting of the part with betadine from center to periphery. Now clean with spirit. Give 2% lignocaine in subcutaneous muscle. Inject the 18 gauge needle with 3-way cannula in left lumbar side. Connect the IV tubing for collection of fluid. Now opening the 3-way cannula. Collection of fluid in steroid bottle. After aspiration of fluid, puncture site is sealed with tincture benzoin. This is ascitic fluid used for culture and sensitivity examination and also in histology test.
Now we are going to explain fifth karma, that is Asian karma. Asian means Asyam, Asianiyam, Nadyati. The meaning of Asian in Sanskrit is desire. In Ashtavid karma, the meaning of Asian is to desire of finding something, that is finding the tract in the tract, like in fistula in ano for Kshar purpose, in Nadi Vran, and in Shalyas like bullet injury, and in Unmargi Vran like tortoise injuries. Indications of Asian karma are as follows. Esyah nadyah sashalyasya vrana unmarginaschaye. That is, Asian karma is indicated in Nadi Vran, for example sinus wound. Sashalya Vran, that is wounds like bullet injury. Unmargi Vran, that is tortoise injury. In Asian karma, it is indicated to insert shalaka made from lohadi dhatus to examine the small deeply situated shalya and to extract it out. In Yogya Vidhi, it is indicated to practice Asian karma on Gunopahat Kashta, that is wood eaten by termites, on Venu, that is on bamboo, on Nalalali, that is Kamalanal, that is peduncle of lotus, Ka Alabu Mukh, that is dry affix of bottle guard. Probing surgical instrument described by Ayurveda acharyas are of three types: Tikshna Kantak Mukhi, Pratham Yavapatra Mukhi, and Gandu Padakar Mukhi, and their praman is told as 8 angul. In absence of Ashni, it is indicated to use Anushastras, and it is also indicated in Bhiru patients. They are indicated as case, that is Bal, that is Ankur, that is Karir, and Anguli, that is finger. Now, modern probing surgical instruments. They are proctoscope, probe, and surgical trocars and cannulas. Now first, proctoscope. It is a hollow instrument that is used to examine anal cavity and anal walls of the rectum for any evidence of hemorrhoids, polyps, tumors, etc. It may be or may not be equipped with a light source. Now the second instrument, probe. It is a rod-like instrument available in different sizes. It may be made up of copper, iron, or silver. It is used to examine depth and direction of sinus and fistula, and it is used for Kshasutra in fistula in ano and pylonidal sinus. Now third one, that is surgical trocar and cannula. These are used to perform laparoscopic keyhole surgeries. They are used to make a hole on the abdomen to provide passage for introduction of telescope and other hand instruments such as scissor and graspers, etc. Nadi vranascha shalyagarbha nunmargen utsanginah shanaihi karir bala angulli rabhi eshanya vaided bishop. That is, in Nadi Vran, shalyagarbha one, that is Vran with foreign bodies, Unmargi, that is tortoise injury, Utsangi, that is wound with shotha. Experienced surgeon should use karir, that is chuchu upodikanam komadanalaha, that is soft peduncles of chuchu and upodika. Bal, that is hair, anguli, that is finger, and ashini should be used. And netravartma gudabhyasa nadyo avaktraha sashonitaha चुच्चु उपोदि जैः श्लक्ष्णैः करेरेषु यत्तु ताः. That is, in Netravartma, Gud surrounded with bleeding injury, and Alpamrukh Nadivran, that is sinus with small openings, Chuchu, that is some species of Corcorus, and Upodika, that is Sacella rubera, are used. Today we are performing Asian Karma on our model of fistula net. For that we need malleable copper probe and 2% lignocaine jelly. To find out the track, we use Goodsall's rule. According to Goodsall rule, if external opening is on the anterior side of the anal canal, then the opening is straight inside the anal vein, and if the external opening is posterior to the anal canal, then the tract is curved inside. First, we do per rectal examination. For that, we apply 2% lignocaine jelly in the anal opening inside. Then we use malleable copper probe to find out the tract. Here external opening is anteriorly. Then according to Goodsall's rule, the tract should be straight. We will insert our probe and see if it opens inside. Here we can see the end of our copper probe, which suggests that the tract is straight and opening is inside.
Now I am going to explain the Aharan Karma. Aharan is the 6th number procedure in Ashtavid Shastra Karma. Now Aharan is also called as Aharyan, Aharaniya, etc. संवृताशेषु व्रण्येषु मतिमान भिषकम यथा म्युक्तम आहारम शल्य प्राप्तो लक्षणम. Means if wound of the opening of the wound is small or big, we want to extract it by Aharan procedure. Extraction means something pulling out or drawing out from the body of the organ. Indication of the Aharan. Aharya Sharkara Striyo means three type of Sharkara. Mutra Sharkara, Pad Sharkara, Danta Sharkara. And Danta Karna Mal Ashmari means Danta Mala, Karna Mala and Ashmari. Shalyani Mudgarbhascha Varshach Varchasya Nichitam Gud means extraction of the Shalya, Mudgarbha and Purish. Example of extraction: extraction of impacted foreign body, removal of a retained placenta, extraction of a urinary calculi, etc. Yoga Vidhi of a Aharan procedure. Panasubimbi, Bilofal Majja, Mritta Pashudant, Dant, etc. are the model for the extraction procedure for doing study. Instrument used in the extraction procedure: Badishantra, Dantashanku Yantra. Numbers of Badishantra is 1 and Dantashanku Yantra also 1. And size of the Badishantra is a Tikshnagra and Dantashanku also Tikshnagra. And use of this for Lekhan, Aharan, etc. Now I am going to perform the model of Aharan means extraction procedure.
Today we are performing the demo of the extraction. Extraction means something extracted from the
organ or foreign particle extract from the body. In Ayurveda, extraction is called as aharan. Now in today's model, we are performing extraction of the foreign particle from the index finger of the patient. Instrument required for the extraction of foreign body. This is the NS for cleaning the wound. This is the scalpel for taking an incision. This is a 2% lignocaine for local anesthesia. This is the sponge holding forceps. This is the tooth forceps. This is scissor. This is plain forceps. Injecting 2% lignocaine at a affected size. Cover the whole area. Now we are going to perform the extraction procedure. This is the foreign particle. Now we can easily see, but it can't extract. Therefore, we want to take a small incision for extraction it. Now I am going to take a small incision. So we have taken the incision. Now for extracting it, take forceps and extract it. Now I am going to extract. We require to tear forceps for it. Take it safely out. This is the foreign particle. Now cleaning the wound with normal saline. Now cleaning the wound with the sterile gauze piece and suture it properly.
We are now going to describe Visravan. Visravan is one among the 8 Ashtavit Shastragram. Visravan means drainage. Now we are going to describe indication. What are the indication of Visravan? Visravan is indicated in Vidradi, in all type of Vidradi, exception is Patach, in Kusht Vyadi, Ek Deshaj Shot, Pali Roga, Shilpad, and Arbud, Visarp, Granthi, Ubdansh. Stanna Rog, Shushir, Gal Shaluka, Krimdanta, Dantaveshtak, Upkush, Dantapaput, and disease of lips caused by pith, rakt, and cough, and many Shudra Rog. Note, here the catching point is Vidradi, Visarp, Dant Paput, Shudra Roga, Stan Roga, and Vidradi come under both Bhedan and Visravan Shastragram. After the indication, we are now going to describe what is Yoga Sutra. Yoga Sutra is important because a Vedya cannot do best in her field or his field without Yoga Sutra. Yoga Sutra is very important. In drainage Yoga Sutra, the model is surface of Shalmali is coated with beeswax. After in this, we are going to perform superficial incision and drainage. After Yoga Sutra, we are now going to describe what is the Shastra used in Visravan or drainage. According to Ayurveda, we use Suchi, Atimukha, Antarmukha, Sharirmukha, Trikruchak, Khushpatra, and Khaja. These are the Shastra used in Visravan according to Ayurveda. According to modern, we use same as scalpel, cotton, gauze piece, kidney tray, scissor, sponge holding forceps, and irrigation material, etc. Thank you for listening.
Today we are going to discuss about the suturing procedure. This is also called as Sivan Karma in Ayurveda. So here are the indication of the Sivan Karma. Sivya medah samutacha binnaha sulakita gadaha saddo vranacha yechava chalasandhi vyapashratya. Following are the indication of the Sivan Karma. First, the disease of Med, that is adipose tissue, Binna Sulakita Vrana, that is incised and scraped wounds, fresh or traumatic wounds around the movable joints. Examples are suturing of the traumatic wounds, ligation of hemorrhoid, bleeding vessels, etc. Suturing needle is explained and the parts of the suturing needle are explained. There are 4 basic components: tip, body, switch and the suturing material. Majority of sutures we have an appropriate needle attached called switch as shown in figure. This has advantage of minimizing tissue trauma. Here are the types of needles and symbols and their uses. Taper point. Taper point is used at the subcutaneous fat. Cutting edge is used at the eye region. Reverse cutting edge is used at the pharynx region. Taper cut is used at the nasal cavity or oral cavity. Spatula cut is used at the cornea or sclera. So here are the different shapes of suturing needles. Half circle is actually the size of 9.5 mm. 3 by 8 circle, the size is 45 mm. 5 by 16 circle, the size is 18 mm. Types of suture material. 4 types of suture material are explained. First, absorbable suture. It is degraded and eventually eliminated. For example, a monocryl catgut. Second type, non-absorbable. It is not degraded but permanent. For example, stainless steel. Third, natural suture. It is a biological origin. It causes intense inflammatory reaction. For example, chronic silk. Fourth, synthetic suture. It is a synthetic polymer. It don't cause intense inflammatory reaction. For example, nylon. So here are the suturing techniques in Ayurveda. Sivve dvelitakam shanehi sivve dofnikam vapi sivve da tunna sevniyam ruju granthi mato vapi yata yoga matapi va. First, ruju granthi. Ruju granthi is the interrupted suture. The thread is inserted from 2 edges of wound and the knot is tied. This is interrupted suturing. Vellitak. Vellitak is the round and continuous suture. It is done continuously along the length of wound wrapping. Third, gophonic. Gophonic is done in the wounds which are shaped as footprints of crow. Fourth, churna sevni. It is done as the torn up garments are suture. Simple interrupted suture and continuous suture. Simple interrupted suture. These are the single stitches. It is individually knotted, used for uncomplicated laceration and the wound closure. Second, the continuous suture. It actually allows more rapid wound closure. It carries the risk of complete wound opening of suture breaks. Next, vertical mattress stitch and horizontal mattress stitch. Vertical mattress stitch is also called a Donati stitch. It affords precise approximation of skin edges with eversion. For example, posterior neck. It also provides closure for both deep and superficial layers. Second, horizontal mattress stitch. It provides added strength in facial closure. It also spreads tension along the wound edge. The last one is subcutaneous suture. It is the intradermal stitches, that is below the epidermal. It allows suture to remain for a long period of time with the development of scarring. It is actually the better cosmetic result.
Today we are performing the procedure of Sivan Karma. Sivan Karma is the 8th number Ashtavishwasa Karma described by Sushruta. Sivan means suturing. Suturing is a very important procedure in the management of any type of wound or any surgical process or any surgical procedures. See our video of model of suturing in next video. Load the needle between the apex of its curvature and 2/3 from tip of the needle. Straight out the suture. Gently leave the skin with the forceps. Pierce the skin surface with needle perpendicular to the skin. Supinate your wrist so that the needle passes through the dermis and rises out of the middle of the wound. Regrasp the needle and lift it out of the wound. Use your forceps to hold the needle, which reload your needle holder. Lift the opposing skin edge with your forceps. Use the curvature of the needle and supinate your wrist to move the needle through the skin. There should be equal needle bite of the depth and distance from the wound edges. Pull the suture through so there is approximately 3 cm of length of opposing side. Loop the suture away from you around the needle holder twice for knot tie. Grasp the suture end with your needle holder. Pull the needle holder toward you and push your non-dominant hand away to lay the first knot. Loop the suture back toward you around the needle holder once. Grasp your suture end with your needle holder. Push the needle holder away from you and bring your non-dominant hand toward you to lay the second knot. Loop the suture away from you around the needle holder once again. Pull the needle holder toward you and push your non-dominant hand away to lay the final knot. Trim the suture end to 5-6 mm in length. Repeat the process until wound closure is achieved. Now we are suturing the remaining skin in same fashion as done in previous sutures. Finally, we suture the whole skin.